Hello again and welcome to my studio in North Wales. David Walker, artist, professional artist and tutor on Udemy. This is the third of a series of just using your HAKE brush. We all know the HAKE brush by now. This is the HAKE brush. What I do in this series of tutorials, I only use the HAKE brush and 7 colours piece of paper and off we go. The idea is we can start right at the beginning, learn how to do watercolour painting like we did when we were kids. No hang-ups, nothing. Just get stuck in and paint the picture. In this particular course we're doing a sunset, a beach sunset, and the lessons in this course are quite long. They're about 25 minutes each lesson. The reason is because it's such a fast and loose subject. We have to get on with it, and there's not a lot of places to break, so they're quite long lessons. But get yourself prepared, get your brush ready, get your colours ready, nice clean water. There's a section that tells you all the tools you need to get. There's not many of them, like I say, 7 colours, 1 brush, piece of paper, and off we go. If you need to ask any questions, there's a Q&A section. Just ask me anything you want in there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. There's a full money back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the course you can get your money back, but I doubt very much whether you will do, because you're going to learn quite a lot in this course. It's about an hour long. It's broken into 3 lessons, and I also do some lectures on all the different colours. You know, the 7 colour palette. There's a full lecture on that as well. Okay, so if you want to have a go, I'll see you in the first lesson. All the best. See you soon.